Azmina and to all the candidates. Today I would like to talk about improving condition of the cafe in the college hostel. Firstly, they can decorate the cafe with variety decoration. So when a student look at the cafe pretty, they can easily attract to go to the cafe. After that, the owner of the canteen need to make sure that there are enough seat and table for the student to at the cafe, so that they can provide a comfy or a comfortable and suitable seat to student to make sure the student can enjoy their food happily. And in addition, they need to ensure that the menu of the cafe is healthy and there is a good variety. And for instance, a red velvet and ABC for dessert. So in this case, they need to try their best to provide a delicious and top-notch food for students. Besides that, they need to make sure that the price is affordable for students and not a staggering price. Lastly, the owner help to make sure that area around the cafe away clean and in a good condition. Plus, we make sure that the taps and sink are in working condition and not clogged. In conclusion, the owner of the canteen play important role in this case to make sure the canteen becomes better in the future. So that's all from me. Thank you.